Hi scientists, this year you're going to be using tools and taking measurements. So we are going to read and learn about those different tools. You have a tools note page and a measurement notes page. You're going to start with the tools note page. You'll see right here it says click on the tools. When you do that, it opens this slide presentation. All right, so see how it says thermometer measures temperature in degrees Celsius. So I'd like for you to record your information on your notes page. Once you've finished all the tools, then you're going to start working on your measurement notes. The measurement notes are just a little bit different. All right, so we're on the math screen right here. On this slide, it tells us the definition. So on my measurement notes for the definition, I will write the amount of matter in an object. For the units of measurement, I have to go back to the tool. So I have to think, what tool measures mass? A balance measures mass. So I go back to that tool and I click on balance. The balance tells us that it measures mass in grams. So my units of measurement would be grams. You can write the word grams or you can write the letter G. Okay, so I'll say that one more time. For measurement notes, the definition is down under the measure slide, and the units of measure is on the tool slide. Okay? All right, so I've completed all of my tools notes. I've completed my measurement notes. Next, I need to go back to Schoology. When I go back to Schoology, I scroll down and I can read, it says when you are finished taking notes, put both pages in your switch folder. And then after you've done that, you have a video to watch. I'm at the table. If you have any questions, let me know.